Alright, here we are, one more video just for fun. Put it all back together, well, most of it. Got the lower case on, resealed it, put in a couple screws at the front and the back, resealed around the base. I hooked up the wire transmitter and the power. You know, I did notice when I originally taken it apart, when I was testing the broken motor, it wasn't until after a few attempts where this 15 amp failed, and then later on the other 15 amp failed on the battery. So the motor was causing a lot of additional voltage. I'm glad I didn't fry this board that they want $171 for. I also noticed that it's blinking charging even though there's no solar or power hooked up, but that was not flashing during when the old motor was hooked up, which, you know, so related or not, I don't know. But now I click the button. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I just need to hook it back up and reset the open and close parameters. I did put electric tape on that buzzer because it's annoying as heck and very loud. But anywho, that is it. Thanks for watching.